VACUULAN networks are installed without high installation costs. Only a few tools are needed. The special cutter ensures a straight and burr-free cut, which is important for the leak tightness of the system. With a few simple steps, the tube is placed on the elbow connector. The connecting parts are screwed together manually. Tightening the screw with a spanner. Half a turn is sufficient.
Come into my world and relax.
Controllers and gauges are connected the same way. The electrical connections between valves, controllers and measuring instruments are made with VACUU bus connections. Distances of up to 30 meters can be bridged. No bending, welding or soldering is required. A vacuum network is constructed quickly and very easily. The leak tightness of the system can be checked using a gauge and a VACUUBRAND vacuum pump. VACUULAN. Thousands of users in laboratories around the world. VACUULAN, the modern and economical alternative to central vacuum systems.